स्क्रीन दिसते सर्वांना? स्क्रीन दिसते?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this extra lecture, we will discuss some example, exercise example, and complement of the event. So yesterday we have discussed the addition rules, addition rule for 2 events, 3 events, and we can generalize it. So let us have example. What is the probability? What is the probability of getting what is the probability of getting a total of 7 or 11 when a pair of dice is thrown. Two dice are thrown, or you can say toss. So how much points in the sample space? One can easily count it. If you are going to write, you have 36 elements, like this 1, 6. In first die I made give 2, 1, 2, 2, and 2, 6. Likewise, you get last as 6, 6. So number of element in this sample space are 36, and each have equally likely occur. So 1 by 36 is the weight for everyone. It is not mentioned. So if a pair die is toss, every outcome has a single chance to not single, unique weight. Everyone have same weight. Okay, A event denotes that A be the event that 7 occurs, total of 7 occurs. The sum 7 occurs. You can list that element. And B is the event that sum 11 occurs. So what are the elements? For example, I write elements of A. In the first row, 1 and 6 gives a total of 7. In the second row, 2 and 5 gives the total of 7. In the third row, you get 3, 4, total of 7. In the fourth row, you get 4, 3. In the fifth row, you get 5, 2. And in the last row, you get 6, 1. So these much are the points, sample points, whose sum 1 plus 6, 2 plus 5 is. So number of count is 6 for this. Next, who is the event B? Event B is that sum 11 occurs. So you should, in the first there is no, because 1 plus 6 is 7 is the highest value in the first row. What is the second row? Okay, second row is last number is 2 plus 6, so it gives 8. In the third row, 3 plus 9, 3 plus 6, it gives 9. In the fourth row, 4 plus 6 gives 10. And in the last, you get 5, 6 has some 11, and another 6, 5 has some 11. So the number of element in B are 2. So A union B, you can write A union B, A and B are disjoints, because when you get sum 7, in the sum 7 event, you will not get sum 11. So A and B are mutually exclusive events. So you can easily write probability of, or write A union B, probability of A plus probability of B, because A and B does not have common. And probability of A will be 6 upon 36, and probability of B will be how many were 2 upon 36. It is total of 8 upon 36, and can be comes with 4. If you divide 4 on 4, okay, 4 and numerator, common is 4, you can cancel it. So this is the probability of getting when 2 dice are tossed, the sum is 7. So this was simple example that can be used for union one. Next example. If the probabilities are if the probabilities are if the probabilities are respectively 0.09, 0.15, 0.21 and 0.23, such as that a person that a person purchasing a new new vehicle will choose color So probability of choosing color green is the first, that is 0.09. Probability of choosing the color of that vehicle as white, it is 0.15. Respectively, you are writing. Next, it is red, and last is blue. So what is the probability that? What is probability that given buyer, विकत घेणारा कोण असेल तो, the given buyer will purchase a new automobile that comes in any one of those colors. That comes in one of those colors. So what we need to calculate? Okay, I just mentioned whoever the buyer is, he select the green automobile, green color vehicle. G for green, I will denote. The next, whoever the purchaser, the selecting of event is white, W, and next is red, and last is blue. So probability of this, everybody is given to you. Probability of each event is known to us, and it is mentioned there. What is it? First as 0.09, second as 0.15, third is 0.21, and the last is 0.23. So these are the probability that person purchase the automobile will choose the color green, white, red, and blue respectively. Okay. So what you going to calculate? आता हे इव्हेंट काय चुजिंग ग्रीन आणि चुजिंग व्हाईट हे म्युच्युअली एक्सक्लुझिव्ह इव्हेंट्स आहेत. आणि एक व्यक्ती गेला तर ग्रीन चूज करण्याची प्रॉबिलिटी आणि व्हाईट कलर चूज करण्याची प्रॉबिलिटी हे इंडिपेंडेंट आहेत, हे म्युच्युअली एक्सक्लुझिव्ह आहेत. तर आपसामध्ये काही संबंध नाहीये. आणि तुम्हाला ऍटलिस्ट वन कलरचं हे करायचं आहे, ऍटलिस्ट वन कलरचं व्हेकल परचेस करणार तो पर्सन. ऍटलिस्ट वन कलर म्हणजे काय? It may be green, it may be green, or it may be red, it may be white, it may be blue. So what you are doing? You are calculating the probability of the union of all these events. Your required answer is so for these four events are mutually exclusive, you directly write probability of G union W union R union B. These are mutually exclusive. You can write probability G plus probability of R plus probability of last one is blue. And these numbers have been written. They are 0.09, 0.15, 0.21, and 0.23. And this sum comes up with this. So this is the probability that the whoever buy that purchase new automobile, that will come one of those color. One of those color म्हणजे काय, सगळ्यांपैकी एक कलर असा. तर युनियन घेणार आपण या ठिकाणी. Next complement of event will be denoted by A or A dash, and it will be given by sample space minus that A. So you need to compute the probability of this A dash. How to calculate? If A and A dash are complementary events, then probability A and probability A dash, it is always 1. Means probability A dash can be calculated by 1 minus probability of A. So A intersection A dash is empty and A union A dash हा काय असतो, तो सॅम्पल स्पेस येस असतो, हे लक्षात घ्या. कॉम्प्लिमेंट आणि त्या स्वतःचा सेट ए आणि ए च्या बाहेर in the sample space, if this is A, what is A complement? This will be A complement. So A union A complement forms yes. And A and A dash are mutually disjoint events. So probability of A union A dash हा काय असेल, probability of yes. So since A and A dash are disjoints, so A intersection A dash, its probability will be 0, and probability of sample space is 1. And from this, you can find probability of A dash, which will be 1 minus probability of A. So this is a simple result. Let us have an example on this. If the probability is that if the probabilities that, okay, what you do, you in chat box, you write your name underscore roll number for the attendance purpose. By this time only, the attendance will be considered within 2 minutes, who are giving attendance. The probability that while writing this example, you should mark your attendance. An automobile mechanic will service 3 vehicle, 4 vehicle, 5, 6, 7 or 8 in any working day, or more cars on any given work day. On any given work day, this probability are respectively these probabilities are respectively 0.12, 0.19, 0.28, 0.24, 0.10, and question is that what is the probability that he will service at least 5 cars on his next day at work. रॅन्डमली कोणताही डे असेल तर त्या प्रॉबिलिटी दिलेल्या आहेत आपल्याला. Okay. If the probability that automobile mechanic, the person mechanic will service 3 cars on a particular working day, 4 cars, servicing of 3 cars having probability 0.12, servicing of 4 cars having probability 0.19, servicing of 5 cars having probability 0.28, servicing of 6 cars having probability 0.24, servicing 7 cars having probability 0.10, and servicing 8 cars having eight or more, 8 or more having probability 0.07. He serviced 8 or more than 8 cars having probability 0.2. So let us declare the event. So let event E be the event that at least 5 cars, at least 5. आपल्याला काढायचं काय? What is the probability that he will service at least 5 cars? At least 5 cars serviced. Your working day is there. आता आपल्याला हेच काढायचं आहे. ऍटलिस्ट 5 म्हणजे काय? कमीत कमी 5. 5 किंवा म्हणजे मिनिमम 5 कार ही हॅज टू सर्व्हिस. So 5, 6, 7, 8. कसं कॅल्क्युलेट करणार आहे? How one can calculate? We have if you want to calculate for समजा सॅम्पल स्पेस टोटल करून बघा काय आहे सगळ्यांचं. What is the total of these all? Otherwise what you do? At least 5 म्हटलं तर at most 5 म्हणजे लेस दॅन 5 किती येते ते काढू शकतो आपण. The probability of E also calculated by 1 minus probability of E complement. What is E complement? Where E complement is event that fewer than 5 cars are serviced. Fewer than 5 cars are serviced. किंवा 5 पासून पुढच्या सम केले तरी चालेल, काय अडचण नाही. तर 1 मायनस आता fewer than 5 कोण आहे? Probability of servicing 3 cars, it is 0.12. Probability of servicing 4 cars, it is 0.19. And this calculations ends with 0.69. So probability of E is 0.69. So you can sum of these. You can make sum of 5, 6, 7, 8 or more. याची पण सम करून आपल्याला आन्सर येणार तेवढंच येणार आहे. 0.28, 0.24, 1.10 and 0.07. हे जर समेशन केलं तर ते हेच येणार आहे, पण आपण कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी इव्हेंटचा वापर केला ठिकाणी. Okay, let us have some exercise examples. Find the errors in each of the following statements. Find the errors in each of following statements. First statement, the probability is that, I'll write short form, the probability is that an automobile salesperson, an automobile salesperson will sell 0, 1, 2 or 3. गुरमे पल्लवी मयुरी कोळे कुठे गेला होता मगाशी? अनम्यूट करून बोला. On any given day in the February, or respectively 0.19, 0.38, 0.29, and 0.15. So what is wrong in these statements? The probability that the salesperson from the automobile will sell zero car. He is not selling any car on day. Its probability is this. We say selling one car having probability 0.38, selling two cars having probability 2.9, 0.929, and three cars 0.15. So this statement has error. What is the error? Your sum of the probability has to be 1. The sum of the probability has to be 1. If you sum of it, it is exceeds 1. The sum exceeds 1. The probability is selling 0 car, probability is selling 1 car, probability of selling 2 car, its probability, and 3 cars, its probability 15.15. So this exceeds 1. And we have already mentioned that the sum of all event probability should be 1 always. So this is error in the statement. This first statement. Second statement I am going to write. The probability that it will rain tomorrow. The probability that it will rain tomorrow. The probability that it will rain tomorrow is 0.40, and probability that it will not rain tomorrow, and probability that it will not rain tomorrow is 0.52. कुलगामे राहुल अनम्यूट करा. सांगा स्टेटमेंट मध्ये काय एरर आहे. व्हॉट इज एरर इन दिस. मग अटेंडन्स आता कसं काय टाकतो मी. मला माहित नाही. कुठं तू लेक्चर ऐकत नाही याचा अर्थ. अटेंडन्स कधी टाकायचं अटेंडन्स केव्हा टाकायला सांगितले. मी ज्यावेळेस 2 मिनिटं सांगतो त्याच वेळेस अटेंडन्स टाकायची. नंतर मार्क केलेली अटेंडन्स कन्सिडर केली जाणार नाही.
हो ठीक.
फोन ठेवून पळता इकडे तिकडे. त्या स्टेटमेंट मध्ये एरर आहे. आता probability that it will rain tomorrow is 0.40 and it will not rain its complement. ह्या दोघांची समेशन आहे का 1?
नाही.
E and E complement, its sum has to be 1. So the total probability is less than 1. The sum of this probability is less than 1. The sum of this, that's why this statement has error. So आणि पुढचा याच्यामध्ये एक स्टेटमेंट वाचून दाखवतो मी. द probability is that printer will make, the probability is that printer will make 0 error, 1 error, 2 error, 3 error, or 4 error, or more mistakes in that. This probability is given that 0.19, 0.34, minus 0.25. This is the mistake in the statement. Next probability I am not going to read. We cannot have probability negative. The minimum probability will be 0 and maximum probability will be 1. So in this statement, the printer makes mistake 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, or more than 4 mistakes. This probability are given, among which the probability for these two is negative. There is no event whose probability is negative. So that is error in the statement. So I'm not going to write this statement. You just listen it. So never probability will be negative, that I want to tell you. Okay, next example I will write. On a single draw, from a deck of playing cards, from a deck of playing cards on a single draw from a deck of playing cards. The probability of selecting heart is the probability of selecting heart is okay. It is 1 by 4. There are total 13 hearts. 13 by 52 gives 1 by 4. This statement is correct. I continue this statement. The probability of selecting a black card is the probability of selecting black card is 1 upon 2. Total number of black cards are 26, red cards are 26. So it is correct. 26 upon 52 is also correct. And now we have to think on error in this. Probability of selecting both heart and black card. Probability of selecting both heart and black card is 1 upon 8. Sarita, unmute करा तुम्ही. Unmute. Sarita. The attendance who were marked just now. Otherwise, I will say it outside the meeting. Unmute करा. Tell me who कोणतर सांगा याच्यामध्ये काय error आहे. Probability of selecting both heart and black card. So till then I will explain. You have total 52 cards, of which
Sum of probability is not equal to 1.
no, here we are not doing the sum of this probability. You are just think on the playing deck card. What are the probabilities are correct? So club card are 13. Club cardचा शेप मी या ठिकाणी काढतो रॅन्डमली. या प्रकारचा तो शेप आहे. क्लब कार्ड्स. Club cards are 13. Diamonds 13. हे ब्लॅक कार्ड आहे. डायमंड हे रेड कार्ड आहे. डायमंडचा शेप याप्रमाणे आहे. ओके. नंतर हार्ट हे पण 13 आणि हार्ट रेड आहे. आणि स्पेड्स आहे शेवटचा जो स्पेड्स आहे जो क्लब आणि त्याच्यासारखाच दिसतोय. स्पेड्स 13 हे ब्लॅक आहे. आता काय म्हटलंय? द प्रॉबिलिटी ऑफ सिलेक्टिंग हे बरोबर आहे. दिस सिलेक्टिंग हर्ट इज. आता हे काय म्युच्युअली हे नाहीत ते म्हणजे एकमेकाचे कॉम्प्लिमेंट नाही. सिलेक्टिंग हर्ट अँड प्ले टेकिंग ब्लॅक कार्ड. Selecting heart is 1 by 4. It is correct. 13 by 54, 52. Selecting black card is, so there are total 26 black cards. So 26 upon it is also correct. But selecting both heart and black card is 1 by 8. आता कार्ड आपल्याला काय घ्यायचं? हार्ट घ्यायचं आणि ब्लॅक घ्यायचं. असं इव्हेंट आहे का तिथं? There is no black card which is heart. So this probability has to be 0. So that is the error. The probability of selecting both heart and black card is 0. It should not be 1 upon it. So that is the error in this statement. Okay, more example we will discuss in the next class.